So guys, hello everyone. Today, I will tell you about the video card rental service Clore.ai. Its main advantage, compared to regular mining, is that you will get up to 45% more profitability. How it works. You rent out your rig at the current yield price. The service pays you bonus Clore coins for the time your rig is rented. For example, we have a rig of 3,080 cards. According to the calculator, he will give us $1.60 per day. Convert to Satoshi. We insert this rental price into the Clore calculator, we get 36 Clore coins per day. At the current coin price of 2 cents, this is a plus 72 cents bonus. As a result, our income is $2.32, which is up to 45% higher than with regular mining. Over time, the price of the Clore coin will increase, and accordingly the bonus to income in dollars will be even greater. Now let's take a closer look at the Clore.ai service. This is much more than nice hash. This is a whole new level. The Clore.ai ecosystem operates entirely on its own blockchain. This guarantees transparency and security. The Clore coin is currently used to pay rewards, but in a future update, payment for services on the platform will be added in the Clore coin itself, currently paid in Bitcoin or dollar. Tokenomics of the project. Blockchain of the first level, with ASIC protection. Limited supply of coins and their fair distribution. Without Premin and ICO. Maximum supply 1,300,000,000 coins. Block time is 1 minute. The block reward decreases with each block. Reward distribution for each block. 50% to miners on video cards. 40% reward for hosting providers on Clore.ai. 10% remuneration for developers. One of the main advantages of the project is proof of holding. It encourages its participants to accumulate and hold coins. This allows tenants to rent capacity cheaper than any other competitors, because hosters receive additional income from 40% of each new block, which is created every minute. Coins signed for proof of holding are not blocked, and access to them is not transferred to anyone. The coins remain in your personal wallet and can be used. A little later in the video, we will take a closer look at an example of how proof of holding works. On the project website, you can see online statistics on the number of servers, video cards, and how many of them are rented. It also shows how many coins are proof of holding. Over time, their number only grows. We will not consider mining the coin itself in this video. There is a regular flight sheet on the Clore.ai algorithm. You can rent power for absolutely any task, and the list is endless. From working with artificial intelligence and machine learning to fast 3D video rendering, you can spin up a Docker container and do whatever you want. You can also rent servers for convenient mining without the need to maintain your own equipment. Well, of course, one of the most important features is the rental price. It is lower than any competitors. At the same time, full access to the rented equipment, full functionality, and for rig owners, this is an opportunity to rent them out with additional benefits. So you want to rent out your rig? You can use Server Ubuntu or Hivios. We will look at the example of Hive. The rig should consist only of NVIDIA video cards. All cards must be the same model. SSD disk from 32 GB or more, RAM 4 GB or more. The better the characteristics of the server components, the greater the reward you can get for rent. This register on the site. In the account section, you will see your Clore and Bitcoin balance with addresses for deposits and withdrawals. The Bitcoin balance will be increased for renting out the rig. The Clore balance will be increased by bonus payments. Go to the Marketplace My Servers section. Click Add Server and enter the server name. We go into the new server and see the connection key. We will use it later. The next step is to open our rig in Hive. Ideally, this should be a clean, latest, stable version of Hive. You can burn the Hive image to SSD via ball nature. Disable the flight sheet and overclocking settings. Let's go to the console. We enter the commands one by one. The next command installs CUDA. Next, reinstall the video driver. After successful installation of the drivers, enter the command is replaced with the key that we received earlier. Now we reboot the rig. In a few minutes, it will appear in your personal account on the Clore.ai website. On the left, we indicate the rental price. You can set the price from the mining calculator, convert it into Satoshi. In the drop-down list, select whether our server is available for rent. To prevent your server from being idle waiting for a tenant, you need to enable Clore Auto Mining. At the bottom of the server page, in Background Job, select the Auto Mining item and apply it. The most profitable mining algorithm will be selected with a payout in Clore coin to your balance. There is also an overclocking function. It allows you to create overclocking profiles for video cards. It can be enabled on the server page in your personal account. Important: before enabling this function, you must connect the monitor to the rig. It will reboot several times while activating the feature. Let's take a closer look at how to calculate how many bonus coins you've received. Open the proof of holding page. Here are discounts on rental fees for those who keep Clore coins in their wallets. Scroll down to the calculator. If you do not have Clore coins, then leave the top field 0. Insert your rental price into the 2 lower fields. You will see the expected reward of coins per day of renting your server. The bottom line of the calculator is called MFP, which is the maximum rental price for your server. This value will be assigned to your server in a few days. The higher it is, the greater the reward you will receive. Important point: you will receive the full bonus reward only after your server is assigned MVP. Until then, pennies will be a bonus. You can further increase the reward you receive by storing Clore coins in your wallet. This is called proof of holding. Plug the different values into the top line of the calculator, and you will see how much you can get. In order for the coins in your wallet to participate in the reward distribution, you need to add the wallet address in your personal account. At the top of the page with the calculator, click Add Wallet. Insert the address, message, and signature. You can take them from the wallet application. It can be downloaded from the link from the official website. Click Sign the message. Select a wallet address. We write any word in the message. Click Sign the message. Copy all 3 values and paste them on the website. Now the coins in this wallet will increase your rental reward. If you want to rent someone else's server, then go to the marketplace and new order. Use the filter to select a suitable server based on characteristics and price. There are 2 types of rentals: spot and rent. Spot is usually cheaper, but your price can be outbid, like at an auction. If you select rent, the rig will only be yours until the end of the order. When renting, you can choose different methods. We will consider the simplest one: buy Heavios. Fill in 3 fields and click Create. We take these 3 fields in the new rig created in the Hive. After creating an order, the rig will appear in your Hive, and you will be able to manage it. The Clore coin is traded on the popular MEX exchange. The total supply of coins at the moment is about 200 million Clore. Whale wallets are just accumulating. This is about 80 million coins. By the way, here in the table, there is a classification of holders by the number of coins. You can write in the comments which category you belong to. About 60 million coins have been signed for proof of holding. There are approximately 20 million coins on exchanges. There are only 40 million free coins left in circulation. With increased demand, there is great potential for the Clore coin price to grow organically. That's how many X's there can be if you compare Clore in terms of capitalization with other coins. Now, not many people know about the Clore.ai project. The developers are actively preparing a big update, including payment with the Clore coin, cloud storage, and a separate power market for rigs. After the release of a major update, there will be a marketing phase. adding the Clore coin to various popular wallets, and there will be listings on new exchanges. Later, there will be our own operating system, very convenient, functional, and simplifying many actions. There will be something else very cool that many people don't even know about, but until the official announcement, it's confidential. The goal of the developers is to use this platform to allow people to rent power all over the world. And they, in turn, will support and further develop the project and make a profit from commissions for using the platform. Clore is not a meme token or a typical shitcoin. This is an officially registered company in the Eurozone. Behind the Clore coin, there is a really working and developing project that benefits people. The project is at an early stage, and its capitalization now does not exceed $5 million, which means the spring is compressing. X's are inevitable, you understand. You still have a chance to become an early investor in the project. Also, after the completion of the main update, it is planned to de-anonymize the team and online sessions with the developers. Their priority is not useless pumps, but a working product that you can touch. If you have questions or want to discuss some point in more detail, write in the comments. I will leave all links to useful information in the description under the video.